Autodesk Vault, simple administration and configuration. Autodesk Vault products provide tools to manage your Vault server so you experience maximum uptime. Intuitive administration tools make server management easy for even those with minimal IT knowledge. Perform all database and file store maintenance using the Autodesk Data Management Server Console. The Server Console automates the backup and restore process by locating the databases and file stores for all vaults, including the master vault, and backing them up to a specified location. When adding AutoCAD-based files to the vault, you can map block attribute properties to vault properties. Each block needs to be enabled by name. Once enabled, each attribute of the specified block is available to be mapped to a vault property and is indexed for searching. A list of all server tasks is displayed in the Server Tasks dialog with the start time or scheduled start time, the site, the vault, the length of the task, and the number of minutes before it will be executed again. The Vault Data Management Server uses the Windows Task Scheduler to schedule Vault backups based upon the configured schedule. Specify backup and log location, backup credentials, the backup type, backup validation process, and the backup schedule. A user must have a Vault account to access data in the Vault and must be assigned appropriate user permissions. Permissions are assigned based upon roles. When more than one role is assigned, the permission set is the union of the roles. You can create groups of users and assign roles and permissions to the group. As a member of a group, a user has all the permissions and roles assigned to the group. By assigning users to groups and then granting folder membership to those groups, you can easily manage users and their access to Vault folders. This is a best practice for creating a Vault security model. User accounts are created and administered in the User Management dialog box and then assigned to vaults. In addition to unique usernames and passwords, users are assigned roles. Roles determine whether or not a user can administer the vaults, create folders, add and delete files, or get data. Vault Server user accounts imported from an Active Directory domain use the first name, last name, username, email address, and password associated with the Active Directory account. You can configure the number of console, server, and email logs retained on the Vault server. Email notifications can be configured to be sent automatically to change order participants. Configure the number of rows of data displayed per page in the Vault Explorer client. When working with a large number of files, the performance thresholds can be changed to help minimize the performance impact on users. Use the administration utility to specify notification preferences when processing a large number of files. The navigation pane lists the libraries and vaults currently available on the Vault server. The file store and database server work with each other. The database provides the index information for the location of files. The file store is the secure location on the server where the files are located. You can specify criteria for removing versions from the vault by purging. If the administrative summary for a specific vault indicates that defragmentation is recommended, the database can be defragmented using the Server Console. In the Data Management Console navigation pane, select the log group from the Management folder. A list of the most recent logs for that group is displayed. In the Vault Client applications, you can perform a full content search for a text string. Access to users, groups, and roles is also available in the Vault Client for those users with an administrative role. This facilitates the administration of Vault without the need for IT involvement or excessive server permissions. Select the Change Orders tab and click Define to manage routing lists and participants. You can activate routing lists, edit an existing routing, and edit routing participants. Select the workflow definition to use from the drop-down list. Job server administration and SharePoint integrations can be enabled and configured to process and distribute design data to users. With unique file names enforced, files in the vault must each have a unique identifying name. Use Find Duplicates to locate duplicate file names in the vault to help resolve any file naming conflicts before enforcing unique file names. Click Define to enforce a consistent working folder for all clients or allow clients to define their own working folder. The Visualization tab on the Vault Settings dialog contains options for configuring visualization attachments, managing visualization files, and configuring publishing settings. The Behaviors tab contains options for editing lifecycle definitions and managing revisions, administering categories and rules, creating and modifying properties, defining customized number schemes, and assigning colors in reports. Item Configuration Settings captures the desired behavior for items. The Change Order tab contains options for restricting item changes to change orders. Turn on the Show Working Folder option to show folder path information on the title bar in the Vault Explorer interface. Vault's simple configuration and administration makes it easy for design teams to manage product data and workflow behaviors without the need for dedicated IT or a maintenance team.